Welcome back to the Epoxy Resin store. My name is Bronson, and today I'm going to show you how to take this cheap silicone mold I bought off of Amazon and make something really fun with it. Okay, starting out, got our old trusty super gloss. This is about 2.5 inches tall, but it's not very big. So I'm going to push the limits of super gloss. It should only be poured about 1/8 of an inch thick, but I'm gonna go ahead and pour it this entire way with the super gloss with the small size. We'll see if we can get away with a little cheating on this one. Okay, I've got my super gloss out. I'm gonna pour it out and measure it. I'm gonna go 12 ounces, what the heck. I'm gonna go 6 and 6. So go 6 here. This is gonna be more than enough, you'll see. Another 6 there, my A. Just like that. Grab my trusty stick here, and I'm gonna mix this up really well. Once again, when you're mixing, make sure you're hitting the sides and the bottom. Get a real thorough mix. I'm gonna take my time, 2-3 minutes mixing this up. All right, now that I've got my super gloss mixed up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my cheap mold that I got off Amazon. This one's a little shotgun flight, so when you're done, you'll hold it like this and you put your little shots in there. You can take it out to your friends and get them drunk at a party or Kool-Aid or whatever. So I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna pour just a little bit along the bottom. Now, if you wanna make your molds last a long time, hit them with a little silicone mold release, or even some WD-40 works really well, or even some cooking spray, but I'm not worried about it. These are like $2, $3. They're super cheap. I'm not worried about it. So I'm gonna make sure the base is spread all along the bottom there. And then I have a huge sweet tooth. I love Nerds. So I'm gonna take these Nerds candies and I'm gonna fill my mold up with it so I have a real colorful mold here. Just like that. I'm gonna spread this out, pushing it down into my epoxy. I wanna make sure everything is below my lip. So I'm gonna give it a nice press. If you're a little high, it's not a big deal because we'll just sand it later, but a little bit of work here goes a long way in the end. So I've got it pressed down. It's all the way around my circles and everything. Now I'm gonna take my super gloss that's mixed up. I'm gonna pour it all over the top of these Nerds. I'm gonna let this baby level out. It's gonna seep down in between all the cracks and all that fun stuff in there. Just like that. I'm gonna give it a minute to do its thing, then I'm gonna hit it with a torch. All right, cool. This is set for a couple minutes. I've got my epoxies had time to seep in between all the cracks of those Nerds there, and the bubbles have all raised to the top. So, just like we're famous, one pass for glass. We're gonna turn our trusty torch on, and I'm gonna give this a nice torch and get rid of those bubbles. Just like that, we're gonna let that sit till tomorrow, see what happens. All right, guys, welcome back. It's the next day. We're gonna demold this baby. Where it's these cheap Amazon molds, I'm gonna be really careful. I'm gonna crack my edges. I'm gonna run my finger all the way around first to kind of break the hold on it so I don't tear my mold. All right, I've gone all the way around the side. See, I've got it loose in there. We'll turn this baby over. Stick. Should use some mold release. It'll make it last longer. Like I said, I'm a little reckless. There we go. Worked out real nice. There's our Nerds shot glass holder. You can imagine 4 little shot glasses you can bring to your friends. And if you read the bottom here, it says, what does it say? Give it your best shot. So that's already on there. You'll see there's a little bit of where I got over the edge here with over the edge of the mold with the super gloss that we use. I'll just take my knife and trim that slowly so that it's smooth. And if you want to, you can sand the edge of that. But yeah, final finished product, super fun. Give it a try. You'll love it. All right, thanks for watching my video on how to take a cheap Amazon mold, dump some nerds in, and turn it into something freaking awesome. Remember, we don't ask for any money on our channel, but we do ask for 3 things. We ask you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so next time we have something cool, you're the first to see it.